Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the buffer and stream. Include STDO and allocate a char buffer sized for expected input, then open or pick the file asterisk you need. Once done, call fgets, buff, sizeof buff, stream. This reads up to size 1 characters or until new line. Make sure to check the return value. If fgets returns null, handle EOF or error. You do this immediately to avoid buffer overflow and to establish a clear success/failure path before further processing. Next, you manage what fgets delivered. First, check its return. Null indicates EOF or error, so inspect FIF and FARER to decide recovery. Then, remove the trailing new line. Find the last character and replace \n with \0 when present. This keeps string operations safe. Also keep an eye on partial reads. If input exceeded buffer, you may need to loop to consume the rest. Make sure to always respect buffer length in any subsequent string manipulation to prevent undefined behavior. Finally, you close the loop and clean up. Read in a loop until fgets returns null while processing each sanitized line, then close files and free memory. Predictable shutdown prevents leaks. If fgets appears to hang, make sure the stream is not blocking or that another thread holds input. Consider non-blocking I/O or select /poll. If things go wrong, first verify buffer size versus expected line length. Most issues are simply too small buffers or unchecked return values, so increase buffer or loop to consume long lines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.